Welcome back to our channel. Now, let's talk about what's really going on with PEPE Coin. PEPE's momentum has seriously dropped. A few months ago, it had a market cap between $6 to $8 billion. But right now, it's sitting around just $2 billion. That's a huge fall, and it shows how much interest and demand have faded. Volume is also low, meaning fewer people are actively trading it. This drop isn't just about PEPE, it reflects the overall crypto market. Some coins are recovering, some are flat, and meme coins in particular are struggling to attract new buyers. Even now, PEPE isn't making big moves like it did before. So what can we expect next from PEPE? Here's the thing, PEPE has a history of bouncing back. Every time people think it's over, it finds support and pushes past its previous highs. But this time, the price has broken below key support levels, which is a red flag. Still, if the market picks up and trading volume increases, PEPE could build a new support and rally again. Based on past patterns, if that happens, we might see PEPE push toward its previous highs or even break into new territory. But if volume stays low, it might just keep drifting sideways or drop further. Right now, it's a wait-and-watch game. That's the latest on PEPE Coin. Big drop in market cap, slow momentum, but still a chance for a comeback if the market supports it. Smash that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick crypto updates. See you in the next one.